Kids TV.
Hello kids! Welcome back to Learning Phonics with Teacher Nina. Today, we are going to learn about the consonant vowel pairs na, ne, ni, no, and n. Kids, let's have a quick review about the short vowel sounds. A, e, I, o, e. Let us sound out the consonant letter N. N, 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 n.
Get ready to blend the consonant N with the short vowel sounds. Let's begin.
N, a, n, a, na. N, e, n, e, ne. N, I, n, I, ni. N, o, n, o, no. N, a, n, a, no.
Na, ne, ni, no, no. It's quiz time.
Identify the consonant vowel pair that matches the name of each picture. Oh, I see a nest. It is a structure where birds lay their eggs. What is the initial blend of the word nest? Is it ne or na? You're right, it's ne for nest. The boy is taking a nap. What is the initial blend of the word nap? Is it no or na? Correct, it's na for nap. Next we have is a nib. What is the initial blend of the word nib? Is it ni or ne? You're right, it's ni for nib. Next is nut. What is the initial blend of the word nut? Is it no or n? Correct, it's n for nut. Next word is nod. It is moving your head up and down to express agreement. It is just like saying yes without uttering a single word. Now, can you nod? Great. What is the initial blend of the word nod? Is it no or n? You're right. It's no for nod. Great job, kids. Thanks for learning with me. Till next time. And don't forget to subscribe to EESITS TV for more videos. Thank you. God bless.